Hello student, let's start. Sum number 5. Continue exercise 8.1. Sum number 5 to 8 in this video. Chapter 8, Quadrilateral. Sum number 5. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal, bisect each other at 90 degree, then it is square. Let me take its name. Rose. Given in Rose quadrilateral, diagonals are equal, bisect each other 90 degree. To show Rose is square. Now proof. Join R to S, E to O, P is its intersection point. First, we will equal to its adjacent side. Take triangle 1 and triangle 2. In triangle EPS, name of triangle 2 EPR, EP, common, PS equals to PR, given diagonal bisect each other and these two angles are equal. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, each 90. Triangle congruent by SAS. Triangle EPS is congruent to EPR by SAS. So, ES equals to ER by CP. Similarly, triangle 2 is congruent to triangle 3. Triangle 3 is congruent to triangle 4. Only we will write. Similarly, if these are congruent, then ER equals to OR, OR equals to SO by CP. From these three, ER equals to RO equals to OS equals to SE. All four sides are equal. Now, we will show its vertices angle R, angle O, angle S, angle E is of 90 degree. For it, we will take two triangles, triangle ERO and in triangle SOR. ER is equals to SO, above proved. EO equals to SR, diagonals equal, it's a given, and ROOR common. So triangle ERO is congruent to SOR by SSS. So angle R is equals to angle O by CP. Angle R plus angle O is equals to 180 because of co-interior angles. Twice of angle R 180. Angle R is of 90 degree. If all adjacent sides are equal and angle R, angle O, angle S, angle E, all are equal to 90, then rows becomes square. After it, we will do sum number 6, which is also on your screen. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisect angle A, show that it bisects angle C also. Given same we will write from the statement. To show same, you will write itself. Now proof. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, it's a given. Angle 1 equals to angle 3. Alternate interior angles. Angle 2 equals to angle 4. Alternate interior angles from 1, 2 and 3. 1 is equal to 2, that's why angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Hence, AC bisects angle A as well as angle C, bisects into two equal parts. Now for part second, we will take two triangles, triangle ADC and in triangle ABC, in which angle 1 equals to angle 2, given angle 4 equals to angle 3, above proved. AC common, so triangle ADC is congruent to triangle ABC by ASA. These two triangles are congruent to each other, so AD is equals to AB by CPCT. If adjacent sides of parallelogram are equal, then it becomes rhombus. So ABCD is rhombus because adjacent sides are equal. Next is sum number 7. ABCD is a rhombus. Make figure. Show that diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Very easy question. First, we will prove up to here. Given from the statement, to show diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Now prove in triangle ADC and in triangle ABC, AD equals to AB, adjacent sides of rhombus, DC equals to BC, same reason, ACAC common, triangles congruent by SSS, so angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4, by CPCT. Hence, AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. 4 parts second. You have to do same process. Join B to D and congruent two triangles ABD and CBD. Sum number 8. ABCD is rectangle in which diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Show that ABCD is a square. Second part, diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Most important question this is. Make figure given same. To show from here same. First part ABCD is a square. Second part diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Now I am going to start from proof. In triangle ADC and in triangle ABC, angle 1 equals to angle 2 given, 3 equals to 4 also given because of bisects AC common. So these two triangles congruent to each other by ASA, then AD equals to AB by CPCT. If two adjacent sides are equal of a rectangle, then it becomes square. So ABCD is square because adjacent sides are equal. For the part second, let me make another figure. ABCD, join B to D, take two triangles ABD and CBD, same as question number 7 part second same. AB is equals to BC, adjacent side of square, or we can write it as side of square. AD equals to CD, same reason. DB common. So triangle congruent by SSS. So angle 5 equals to 6, 7 equals to 8. By CPCT, hence diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Thank you.